Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we are on the end of 2023. 2024 is upon us, and I feel it's going to be a good year. Going to have some cool builds coming up, some more series. We got some model shows coming up, all that good stuff. And I'm looking forward to meeting some new people, some new friends. Just a great community and all that good stuff. So I thought, to end out the year, I figure I'll do a year in review, kind of the class of 23, if you will. Show you some of the builds we did over the year's time and what we got done. So we did 10 of them, starting with the USAC build, the 70 Plymouth Roadrunner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you these on kind of a slideshow, just basically from, start to finish, from, as they went in order. That's how we're going to do it. So I thought it'd be kind of cool. Other than that, I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to the channel, that's been following along, that's been watching the videos. I really appreciate it, guys. It means a lot to me. Thank you for that. And I want to thank Mark at Hobby Nut Model for supporting the channel. I really appreciate that, Mark. So, with that being said, I'll take you over to the bench and let's see what we did over the year's time. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up my year in review. Like I say, I thought I did pretty good this year, I guess, about the same amount as last year. So I thought, thought it would be cool to get the whole gang out and put them together and see how the progression become, as we went. Other than that, we just came back from Saginaw, Sag Nasty I like to call it. And wife had to stop and get some yarn. She's making some cool looking blanket. And I thought, you know what? You got to check out the model while you're in there. You just have to. It's state law. So I was in there, and of course, I seen the 40% off sale. Oh, here we go. We got to find something, you know, even if it's something you didn't want, you still got to take something home just because it's a deal. You know, you can't pass up a sale. So anyways, I got a couple kits. I've been looking at this kit forever, and I have a couple of them on the shelf, but not this box art. The 66 Fairlane 427, the AMT kit. I know a lot of you guys have built this, and I hear the decals like fantastic in this thing, and I thought, you know, I got a couple of them on the shelf. They're not this style, but it's the old original box, you know. But I really want it because I had the newer decals in it. You know what I mean? And the other one I picked up, and I've seen this kit, and I know a lot of you guys have built this, the 66 Malibu by Revell. I thought, it's a cool looking car. I mean, it is. And I really bought this because of the flames. I love those flames. That's old school flame job. I think it just looks really cool. And I think if I build this, I'm going to build it like, I like the box art car. I like that. I think that looks really sharp. So we're going to put that to the test one day and all that good stuff. So like I say, I think I'm going to get into a few other builds this year. I got a F-14 Tomcat down there that I've been itching to build forever. I've had that kit for like 20 plus years. The box is actually faded. How it's been faded, I don't know, because it's been in another box. So not sure what happened there. But anyways, a few other kits I wouldn't mind doing, and I wouldn't mind getting onto a few NASCAR kits that I've been prolonging on. And I see GR Models just released the 88 Thunderbird, the Coors Bill Elliott car, and I thought, oh, I got to have that one. So, yeah, so I really want to get on that one. And I wouldn't mind building some tractor trailers, you know, the truck itself. I think that'd be kind of cool. Another thing I was watching, if you guys have not been over to KREG'S channel at D Factory, check his channel out. I'll put a link in the description below. And he built the Miami Vice boat. I thought, that is so cool. The old Sonny and Crockett boat, you know. Just the one from the 80s, you know, the original one. And I think it was an old Monogram kit. I mean, it almost makes the theme music just come to your head as you're thinking about it. But, yeah, anyways. He did a really cool job on it. And like I say, I don't ever remember seeing that kit. That's a weird thing. But go check that out. I thought it was pretty cool. Look, it's not something you see all the time. Pretty neat. So, and also, you know, go down and check out Hobby Nut Models. There's also a link in the description below. And I think that sale is still running just for a little bit yet. So you got just a little bit of time left. Just another day or so. Go down and see what you can get. Other than that. So anyways, guys, have a safe and happy new year. Be safe out there and have a good time. But, you know, not too good a time. But other than that, I appreciate everybody tuning in, checking out the channel. And we will see you on the next video. You guys have a good one. And thanks for watching.